Hello, today I am going to tell the story of Arjuna, the bird eye test. They were given a training by their guru Dronacharya. They were asked to aim at the eye of a toy bird that hanging in branch. And when they were asked what they saw, except Arjun, others said they saw sky, leaves, branch, tree, etc. Only Arjun said that he just saw the blackness of the bird's eye. This is the end of story. Thank you. I was going to see pineapple and pineapple was no more. Somebody has stolen the pineapple. And I'm giving cars. Whoever has stolen the pineapple, he cannot do potty. This is the cars. Paneer curry, papar and rice. My lunch today. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and follow. Bye and stay strong.